If you are looking email marketing software, you are coming to the right place because today I will review a email marketing software. This software is called Sendfox. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will cover in this video. First, I will explain what is Sendfox. Then I will show you who is the founder of Sendfox. Then I will explain Sendfox features, pricing, pros and cons, and why you should choose Sendfox. At the end of video, I will show you how you can easily get 10% discount. So guys, what is Sendfox? Sendfox is a powerful email marketing tool. You can easily set up your email automation, drip campaign, and easily create landing page. It's also very budget-friendly tool compared to others email marketing software. Who is the founder of this software? Basically, Sendfox powered by appsumo.com. This software is founder of David Kelly. Sendfox features. When you log in your Sendfox account, you can easily edit your list, set up your automation campaign, and find smart page gallery where you can find lot of email lists. You can also choose any niche like animal, business, education, entertainment, and lot of others. This AppSumo deal is lifetime access. You can easily schedule your email campaign at any time of day. They provide custom landing page, unlimited trigger automation, custom forms including GDPR list when tracking to keep your contacts separated. They can provide advanced analytics to track opens. You can easily track your emails, open, click to rate, and more. CRM functionality to write notes on each subscriber. You can easily integration with others, sumo.com, King Sumo, JPR API, and post HTML code, RSS feed, auto pull, create email drafts automatically from RSS. You can easily manage unlimited brand from one account. Sendfox pricing. Sendfox provide a free plan. Let's see guys what they provide. Free plan. You can edit contact list 1000. Sendfox branding normal. You can provide schedule campaign, smart campaign, customer support, but they don't provide API. Free plan. They don't provide smart page gallery access. Free plan. They don't provide automation. One smart page plan they provide. One single form they provide. Contact list 3. Sending server delivery normal. Double opt-in required. Estimated basic. When you choose AppSumo deal, license tier 1, you can just pay one time $49. All features above included 5000 subscriber. You can edit 5000 subscriber and also provide Sendfox branding. And license tier 2, you can pay one time $98. All features above included. You can send 10,000 subscriber. And license tier 3, you can pay $147. All features included 3000 subscriber, added your contact list. They also provide live text Sendfox branding. You can choose also license tier 4, then you can pay $196, 20,000 subscriber. And when you choose license tier 5, you can pay $245. You can edit your contact list 25,000. Sendfox pros. Guys, Sendfox interface is very simple and clean. You can easily use this software. It's cheap compared to other email marketing platforms. They also provide a free plan. You can use multiple domain with Sendfox. They provide stunning landing page, lifetime offer, 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily back your money. They provide smart campaign, GDPR compliant. They provide excellent customer support. Sendfox cons. Sendfox does not provide drag and drop visual editor. As compared to other email marketing solutions, Sendfox has no advanced features. They don't provide an HTML email editor. No preview is available for sending email. That is the pros and cons of this software. Why you should choose Sendfox? Guys, if you are a marketer, content creator, YouTuber, Sendfox is perfect for you because Sendfox is a very cheap email marketing software compared to others email marketing software like MailChimp, ConvertKit. I hope it's very cheap. Main reason why you should choose Sendfox. Guys, if you want to get 10% discount with this software, when you buy this software, you create a new account, then you can easily find 10% discount. You can easily find this software in my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.